Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing the SnackCrate, and this was the April box for 2022. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband Aaron. He helps me do unboxings, and on my channel I usually do a lot of makeup material, but I also do a lot of subscription boxes, and I also talk about mental health issues. If you are interested in any of that, then please subscribe if you would like to. I would love for you to. Okay, so the SnackCrate is usually snacks from around the world. So we will open it up, and this month the country is Portugal. They usually give you a big thing all about Portugal. And yeah, I will hand that over to Aaron.
Pause for a second.
Okay. So usually I have a lot of sweet and savory snacks in this box. And yeah, so I will hand over what we have here over to Aaron. And yeah, we will taste the snacks and tell you what they taste like.
Off we go.
And yeah, so first off, we have
Cheetos, Palitos, tangy, cheesy, and easy to eat. These taste like you just dipped your favorite French fries in ketchup. This sounds familiar. I think we got something previously that was something with ketchup flavor. I don't think it was this one, but some other snack box had some of that.
okay, so they look kind of like blocked off Cheetos.
They look like fries. Mmm.
I definitely like these better than those ketchup ones we had before. They definitely taste like Cheetos, Cheeto Puffs, but better.
Alright then.
I can kind of taste a little bit of ketchup in them.
I definitely did.
So yeah, those were pretty good. Next we have Lay's chips.
Slightly sweet potato chips flavored with fresh vegetables.
Okay, so vegetable chips.
Flavored with vegetables.
Right, okay. I didn't like those that much. I didn't really taste.
It tastes like chip mostly.
I really didn't taste any vegetables.
Yeah.
And they just tasted kind of spicy a little bit.
Huh. Okay. What's next?
Okay, we have the Finny Jolly Bananas.
Alright. Soft, sweet, and chewy, sugar-coated jelly bananas.
That's all it says.
They make for a seriously appealing snack.
Okay, they definitely have that fake banana smell to them. That's what they look like. Ready? I didn't really enjoy that. I don't like that fake banana taste.
Yeah, really, no. Normally I don't like banana flavor either, but those actually aren't bad.
Yeah. It really didn't do it for me. Next we have Chips by Fruit. Crispy apple sticks with cinnamon.
Fruit with 2 U's.
Fruit with 2 U's.
2 U's and no I. So, totally above board here. Not made out of chemicals at all. The doctor always said an apple a day, but she also never said anything about it being dried into crispy strips and coated in cinnamon sugar. Okay.
That's all it says.
Yep. That's your basic dried fruit there.
That's really good. It's
Yeah,
just
it's pretty good.
dried apple with some cinnamon.
Yep.
Nothing too crazy there. Okay, now we've got some Haribo spaghetti. It says pica.
Strawberry something.
It says fresa, which means strawberry.
One bite of these sweet and sour strawberry gummy strands, and it will be impossible not to eat the whole bag.
Oh, it smells good. So that's what it looks like.
It was like that bubblegum chew that they have in those pouches.
Yeah.
Big league chews.
Okay. Oh, that was too sour for me.
I like that.
You like that though?
I'm gonna eat some more of that.
Okay, we have something interesting looking right here.
I'd eat that.
What is this?
Regina Umbrellas. Since 1928, Regina has been one of the most beloved chocolate brands in Portugal. And these delicious milk chocolate umbrellas are here to prove it. You know, milk chocolate umbrellas. This is what you need when it starts raining Skittles, like in those raining, Skittles, like in those commercials. It's like a icicle or a stalagmite. It's chocolate.
Oh, yeah. Milk chocolate's not my favorite. But it's really cute.
It's like a thunderstorm inside your mouth.
Okay, what else do we have? What's this? Pintarellas? Pintarellas.
A longtime favorite for the children of Portugal. These brightly colored and sugar-coated chocolate chips make for the perfect treat to share.
They look like M&M's.
Yeah, it's basically M&M's, but don't sue us. They're chocolate chips. Portugal's answer to M&M's.
Ready? So, they're like M&M's, but I think they're a little better.
Huh.
What do you think?
Yeah, they're fine.
You don't think that? I think they're taste a little better than M&M's.
Chocolate's a little different.
Okay. You're still eating this. We have these little candies here.
Yeah, those aren't listed. Those are just bonuses, I guess.
Okay. Can you read what it says on there?
Locos de Navy.
Okay. I don't have a smell. Those are kind of unremarkable. They were just a hard candy. They had a slightly fruity taste to them. Aaron said he tasted something milky in them. I don't know. So, okay. Oh, what's this? Sugus.
Caramelos. Fruit chews. Made with real juice from oranges, pineapples, lemons, strawberries, and cherries.
So, basically, Starburst. We always get so much candy in these.
Yeah.
So, really just like Starburst, except
A little bit softer.
it's kind of got a raspberry taste to it. And some more little candies in here. What is this there?
Chewing gum.
It's chewing gum. Okay, we'll
Have
just
you feeling like the king of the flavor jungle?
okay, we'll just leave that in there and let the kids have it or something. Okay, what is this? Torado nougat? Torado.
Made with crushed peanuts and caramelized sugar, resulting in a wildly addictive sweet and crunchy snack.
So far, not my favorite box. Can you open that? Oh, this looks like it's going to be hard to eat.
I'm sure.
Did not like that at all.
Kind of halfway between a candy bar and a granola bar, but with peanuts. I do those Nature Valley crunchy ones,
Yeah.
but with peanuts.
It didn't have a good taste to it.
That is alright.
Okay, here is some biscuits. Maybe this will help.
Maria biscuit, a symbol of Portugal's economic recovery after the Spanish Civil War. This rich biscuit is best dunked in tea or crumbled over sweet custard.
I'm sorry.
We have more biscuits or cookies for us that are symbols of things in this country.
Yeah.
Because with these, it's like you can keep them for like when people come to visit from other countries, and then you can tell them, it's like, hey, try some of these biscuits. It's a symbol of our Portugal's recovery after the Spanish Civil War. And then if they don't like it, then they feel bad.
Okay, that tasted more like a cracker than a biscuit.
We should have stuff like that where it's like cookies that commemorate historical things or something. It's like it's like you can company comes over and you can bust out a box of Obamas.
Okay, the last thing in here,
Clinton logs.
I was saving this for last, is tartlets.
Tartlets.
Those look good.
Tartlets.
Are they on there?
This delicate shortbread cookie is filled with a real strawberry puree. Oh wow, see, it didn't have as good of descriptions for the rest of these. Making each bite taste like summertime on the golden beaches of Algarve. That's a lot of, that's setting the bar pretty high, Which that better be a really good strawberry cookie.
Ready? Those were definitely my favorite thing out of the box.
There's a name for those kind of cookies, though. Not when they're open like that, but when it's like it's closed and then there's a hole. You can see the
Windsor cookies.
Yeah. I guess that's what I'm thinking of.
Okay, so what was your favorite thing out of the box?
These, I guess.
Show them.
Strawberry spaghetti. Basically, gummy spaghetti.
My favorite thing is definitely these tartlets. In fact, I'm going to eat the other ones. Here, let's just finish these off. Okay. Alright, tell us what you saw down in the comments. Do you get this box? What did you think of it? What looked the most interesting to you? And yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And that is all for today. I hope you are having a wonderful Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
And yeah, we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day today. And if you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. Okay. And, okay. I will see you in another video tomorrow. And just stay well until then. Okay. Goodbye.